Welcome back, everybody. This is Hello Plus 2, Unit 3, Me and My World, Lesson 3 homework. Let's get started. This is page number 128 and 129. 128 and 129. Let's get back to business. Question number 1. Sama,
It's better to stay calm than to argue with your classmates.
good. Argue. It's better to stay calm. Argue. Number 2, Sama.
What's your interest? Do you like reading, music, or sport?
Yeah, what are your interests? Thank you. Judy?
I was very upset when I lost my favorite bag.
I was very upset. 2, 4.
This is a private garden. You can't pick up any fruits.
Yeah, private garden. That's wonderful. Muhammad Ahmed, thank you, Judy.
If you say, I'm not sure, it shows that you are not about the answer uh, certain.
Nope, I'm not sure. If you say that I'm not sure, it means that you're uncertain. 7. غير متأكد. 7.
My sister is far more creative than me. She is a great artist.
So my sister, more creative. She's a great artist. If I'd like to make the comparative strong, استخدم ايش؟ لو عايز اقوي المقارنة واخليها اقوى.
Far.
far more creative. أدهم حلمي 8.
The new restaurant is not as good as the old one.
So it's not as good as the old one. 9.
Is this phone much cheaper than the other one?
So much cheaper than the other one. Much good. That's
مستر
one.
معلش هو number 5 احنا فوتناها.
So it's easy to make friends if you get along. Get along. All right. Kenna 10. Kenna.
This hotel is by far the
Yeah,
most
by far.
expensive in the city.
11.
I am by far the best as my friend.
How come this is
No, as good.
as good as? As good as. Much better take than. Okay, we don't have something slightly good. By far the best. No, we have as. 12. Genna, I find
I
history
find history much
much
more
more
in
interesting. Yeah, because I'm making the comparative stronger here. If you want to make it stronger, you add much more interesting, far more interesting. Good, that's wonderful. Hannah, the red car, it is slightly faster. I need the comparative. 2, Hannah. He's as he looks.
As confident as.
As confident as. Super duper. Lama, for me, summer is
best.
by far the best season. The best. In the superlative form, we use that, right? 4, this book is much.
Funniest.
No, I'm talking about number 4.
Much more interesting.
Yeah, much more interesting. I'm gonna add more here, much more interesting. 5, Ahmed. The final exam was,
harder than the
why
practice.
did it say, what about difficult? Use difficult, don't use harder. So it's a longer adjective. You add more. More difficult than the practice tests. لما يكون الصفة بتتكون من more than one syllable, like expensive, like comfortable, like difficult, we use more. More difficult than the practice tests. Ahmed, when you have a conversation,
It
it
is
is
important.
important. Hmm.
It is important to be polite. You should always listen carefully to what the other person is saying. It's okay to have a different opinion and to disagree, but you should always explain your results calmly.
Yeah, you should always, it is okay to have a different opinion and to disagree. What about 3?
هتبقى disagree.
Disagree, but you should always explain your reasons calmly. That's wonderful. Opinion, yeah. Stop saying opinion, opinion. This is just a opinion, opinion. Okay, number 4. Reading comprehension. Yusuf Temer, what is the main idea of the text? Yusuf Temer?
D. Advice on how to make new
Advice on how to make new friends. The underlined word nervous. Nervous here is closest in meaning to.
word.
So closest here, nervous means word. Okay, Yusuf Tamer. The writer says it is important to show you are in the other person.
Interested.
Yeah, you're interested. To show that you're interested in the other person. Okay. Hannah Hisham. What is the most important thing to do when trying to make friends, according to the text? Hannah. Okay, Genna.
The most important thing to remember is that most people wanted to be friendly too.
So
Mm,
the most
أنا
important thing is to show that you're interested in the other person. You show interest here. This is the most important thing. Okay. 2. How can listening carefully help you make a new friend? Sama?
This show respect and helps you get to know them.
So this actually listening carefully, it shows that this shows respect and helps you get to know them. This is question number 5. All right, what would you do if you disagree with your friend? If you disagree with your friend, what would you do? Adam Ayman, what would you do when you disagree? Judy?
I would talk and explain my opinion politely.
Yeah, I would talk and explain, talk. I would talk and explain my opinion politely. I will talk and explain my opinion politely. Thank you very much. That's it for our homework.